Hey guys, here are some search and destroy clips using the 300, the XRK Stalker, and the MCW.
Round secure. On to the next.
Oh shit,
Okay, let him cook.
Okay.
Oh damn.
Oh my god. Oh Jesus.
Oh,
Solid
he's
ground, guys.
at our spawn. Now he's going to middle.
You've won the bout. Get to the next one.
Hey bro, if my kill's not on this list, wow, that's the best kill?
Don't do that shit again.
But I was listening
Oh.
at it
We
on the
might.
light and I was like,
Anybody sniped in the beginning yet?
Place the charge.
They try, but not really.
Are we in another round? Oh, fuck it.
Guys. Nice. Yeah.
He's on the, the protein tank wall.
Oh my god, Brazy.
Outside
Chill. Chill.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Destroy that shit. Damn.
We ain't doing that shit.
You hot.
Or left. You're dead. God, you're so bad.
Only you remain. UAV standing by.
UAV, use it. Oh, good shit. Good shit.
Ground secure. On to the next.
Dude, knifing is deadly in this game.
There's one on the building where the bomb is.
Friendly UAV online.
How the fuck?
Enemy bomb at Alpha. All operatives. Bomb.
Someone A. Got one.
Enemy planted at Alpha.
He shit on me, he's mid. You better kill him, whoever it is. Do it.
Use him.
Oh wait, didn't kill him.
Oh my god.
Hot. Move fast. Round secure. On to the next.
Dude, there's no way I... Yeah, up top.
UAV active.
It's in the back spawn.
ah, shit.
Final minute.
It's tell me what to do. I mean, I get to do that.
Bro, the body blocking in this game is so fucking ridiculous.
I got you guys, don't worry.
Dude, no fucking way, bro.
1 minute remaining.
Dude, how fast does this guy fucking run?
GG. That was a good one.
Won that round.
Ah, fuck.
You've won that round.
Bro, you.
We're planting at Alpha. Setting device on Alpha. Stand by. Standing by. Bomb site is still hot.
Oh my
Back.
god.
Next.
Oh, dude. It's just us four.
Standing by.
Oh man.
One sniper.
We got Rossi, we got Sick, we got fucking Hologram World. Winning.
Fuck this fucking game, dog. I don't know how you feel.
Don't pick nothing, don't pick nothing, just wait.
I got the defuse.
Dude, how's that
Oh,
guy?
you
You
go
got a
out
hit
there and
marker
fucking-
and with AR hit markers, bro.
I already got sniper marker.
Oh,
Nah. I'm not dead.
He's at the house.
sniper, sniper, sniper.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, hit marked it on 10 times.
Damn, I have a care
Defend
package.
the objectives.
And the UAV. Everybody play, use your guns, let's win this shit. Everybody use your guns.
Friendly UAV online. Hostile Mosquito is online.
Full
Friendly care
hogs,
package
still
online.
using the knife. This guy's crazy. Babe, somebody in the back behind us. One in the back.
Down to you.
Good shit, 1v1.
That's the other one.
You see him on the minimap, He's in there.
You've won that round.
Damn, run. Go upstairs, behind you, babe. To your left. You see him in the middle, Hey, go to your left, No, behind you. Yeah, go to your left.
30 seconds remain.
Dude, I'm a professional coach.
Jesus. Finally.
Yo, shit, kid.
Shut your mouth,
Why are you calling me a dumbass? Is it my fault or the Call of Duty dad's fault that it's 7-5 right now? It's not my fault.
Thank you, babe.
No hologram.
Oh, babe, another
Watch.
girl gamer.
I know, she's too cracked. I could never.
Get it cracked, babe.
Hey, on the left
Yep,
side.
she's
left
pretty
side.
cracked. Yo, behind you!
He's
He
right
just went
here.
a
I know
P2,
him.
P2. He just went a P2. Hey, Jackie Moon, he just went here, P2. Okay, okay. Shh. Let's go.
I hate that fucking gun.
We win these.
Doing these.
Oh.
Our side.
Nigga, what?
Just gotta get the focus.
Okay.
And you sniped him?